So Ernst & Young hosted a dissemination workshop on the state of venture capital and private equity baseline report. It was a great event with people in the room and online, the regulators, the funds, the LPs, pension funds. And I think it was a great workshop to really look at the report's key findings. Some of the key things that came out were the need for a Limited Partnership Act, and it was very refreshing to hear the Venture Capital Trust Fund and the regulator commit to getting this act in place so that we can see many, many venture capital companies form in Ghana. Another thing that came up was the role of pension funds and the need for us to invest pension funds profitably into the real economy of Ghana so that we can provide a good return to pensioners as well as build our economy. And it was great to have some of the pension funds like Stanlib who have written some of the initial pension investments into private equity that have been very successful. And we want to do that and build our economy together.